Coca-Cola's unique color. Coca-Cola's original formula contained a small amount of coca leaf extract, which gave it a slight greenish tint. Today, the iconic brown color comes from caramel coloring. Pringles aren't technically chips. Pringles, made by Kellogg's, are not considered potato chips by the FDA because they are made from a dough rather than sliced potatoes. This is why they are labeled as potato crisps. The original Twinkie flavor was banana. Hostess initially filled Twinkies with banana cream. During World War II, banana shortages forced the switch to the vanilla cream filling we know today. Spam's popularity in Hawaii. Hormel's Spam is immensely popular in Hawaii, where it has been integrated into local cuisine since World War II. Hawaii even holds the annual Spam Jam Festival celebrating this canned meat. Heinz Ketchup's 57 Varieties. The 57 Varieties slogan was created by founder H.J.H. Heinz, even though the company was selling over 60 products at the time. He chose 57 because he believed it was a lucky number. M&Ms were created for soldiers. Mars Incorporated developed M&Ms during World War II so soldiers could carry